Hello everybody and welcome back to Herbies Garage. Today we're on the 1997 Yamaha Wolverine 4x4 and it's a 350cc. And I had done a video not too long ago on replacing the front U-joints. And I had a person in the comments tell me that I didn't have my U-joints timed correctly. And it would cause problems and uneven wear and probably failure sooner than what it's supposed to. So I reviewed the video and he's right. I had my U-joints clocked off a little bit. Instead of being straight in line, one was off from the other. So I thought, well, today I'm going to go ahead and show you the way that I have it, the mistake that I made, and I'm going to try to correct it. All right, you can see this U-joint is lined like this and the other one is kind of turned like that. Whenever I roll this, it feels like it rolls pretty decent, but there's no sense in putting undue stress on it. So I'm going to take this apart and try to line these up. Hopefully it won't be too bad. I'm just going to plan on taking that front differential loose and moving it forward and then try to slip that yoke out and then slip it back in the correct position. Hopefully it won't be too big of a job. Tight squeeze past this bolt in the A-frame. Yeah, that's a really tight squeeze getting those bolts out. Woo. All right, let's see if I could lift this up enough to slide it back. There we go. Now you can see that the yokes are straight in line with one another, and that's the way I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the front differential back in. All right, I got the front one started, so I'll put this back one in. All right, now that I got that started in there, I'll go ahead and drive those bolts in. You just got to get them past that A-frame a little bit, and then they'll drive in pretty easily. Okay, looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the washer and the nut back on it. All right, now I'll tighten them up. Now you can see that they're timed correctly. They're both straight across from each other. So I think that's going to function the way it's supposed to. Well, that didn't take too long, maybe about 10 minutes or so. And I'm so thankful for the viewer who wrote in to tell me about that. Honestly, I didn't go back and rewatch the video, and if I did, I didn't pay any attention to that part of it. And I'm glad to have it timed perfectly now. So I'm sure that it probably would have added to stress on the U-joints by having it the way that I had it. Now that it's perfectly in line, you know, I think it'll be fine. And just little things like that can kind of trip you up. We all make mistakes. I make mistakes too. Sometimes I don't show them on camera. Maybe I ought to start showing more of them. But this one slipped by me and I didn't see it. So I do appreciate it. Thank you for telling me that. And now my good old Yamaha Wolverine is in great shape. And looking forward to the next ride. All right. Like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave me a comment. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.